Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to a unique birds in the world. Most amazing birds. Birds are some of nature's most marvelous creatures. They are the only animals that sport feathers. These, along with having hollow bones and other special skeletal features, give them the ability to fly. Feathers also have many other important uses, such as thermoregulation and elaborate displays. Birds are, essentially, living dinosaurs. It's no surprise that they hold some fascinating world records. From smallest to heaviest, strongest feet to longest lifespan, here's a look at some bird world records. We like to consider them bird Olympic champions. Here are some of the world's most amazing birds. Smallest bird, bee hummingbird. The tiny bee hummingbird of Cuba measures only 2.24 inches long, 5.7 centimeter, and weighs 1.6 gram. Its appearance and flight even rival that of some insects, particularly, as you guessed it, bees. It is also the bird with the smallest nest ever recorded, only 2 cm in diameter and depth. Likely too, it takes the prize for the smallest bird eggs in the world at 12.5 mm x 8.5 mm. A bee hummingbird egg is half the weight of a standard paper clip. It is truly one of the most amazing birds. Bee hummingbird Cuba whitehawk birding. At only 2.25 cm in length and weighing 1.6 gram, the bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing birds. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing birds. See you in the next video.